We all know what's going on in the tech space. Don't act like you don't. And just like the famous quote,
AI will not take your job. AI used by somebody else will take your job.
knowing how to build crazy AI features, I think, will become a prerequisite as a developer in 2026. And trust me, this requires more than just sending a prompt. If that's all you know right now, you're cooked. Well, thank God you clicked on this video. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 AI concepts that you need to learn to start building and working with AI. Let's get into it. Have you ever wondered how customer support AI seems to know everything about a company? And no, it's not by dumping the whole company's information into the LLM. You will burn through all your tokens that way. It actually uses what we call a RAG architecture, Retrieval Augmented Generation. To explain this properly, I built one. Here's an AI chatbot I built for Streamliver, a live streaming company, and it knows every single information about the company. So here's how it works. First, you take all the company's information and break them down into chunks, that small, tiny, readable parts. For my case, I had to web script the whole Streamliver documentation and break them down into readable chunks. So we then have this small tiny section of information instead of a whole list of documents. Next, we then convert each of those chunks into a vector embedding using an LLM. It's basically vectors mapped, basically. And it stores those vectors in a database. For my case, I'm using a MongoDB database. When the user asks a question, it then finds the relevant information using what we call a similarity search on the vector embedding it earlier created. Basically the most relevant information closest to the search. Then only those relevant chunks are then sent to the LLM alongside the user question. This makes your AI respond as if it knows every information about a company without actually burning through tokens. Meanwhile, under the hood, it's just fetching the relevant information and sending a response. If you want a RAG system like this for your company, send me a DM. Well, now that you know about the RAG architecture, let's talk about something even more interesting. AI agents. AI assistants are cool, but AI agents, these are assistants with superpowers. An AI assistant answers questions, right? But an AI agent takes actions. You tell a normal AI, plan me a trip to Lagos. It gives you a normal paragraph. Well, cool, but it's useless. You tell an AI agent, plan me a flight to Lagos. Actually books the flights, compare prices, updates your calendar, and send you the itinerary to your email, all with one prompt. Well, it works by breaking down your tasks into steps, picking the right tool for the job. Your calendar, your email, and your APIs. These are different tools your AI agents will need to perform these particular tasks. Then execute every single task using the tools on its own. These tools are responsible for taking the different action, but your AI agent have to trigger them. Have you seen the clip where ChatGPT is controlling robots, shooting guns, walking?
There's a robot that would like to shoot me.
Sure.
Yeah, all those are just using AI agents. So those different tools of walking, shooting gun are actually functions provided to the LLM, which is ChatGPT, to utilize. Yeah, that's basically how AI agents work. An AI agent don't just think, it acts. And that's the future of automation. AI agents are interesting, but they still need a way to access the tools, app, and data. That's where MCP comes in. You've probably heard the hype. MCP servers. What are they and why is the AI world hyped about it? MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. In simpler terms, MCP is a way for your AI model to talk to tools, databases, app without having to build custom integration. So in simple terms, MCP servers are just basically a program that provides your LLM different tools that can be executed on a computer. Tools can be launch an app, open a file, open Chrome. So these are different tools that can be given to your LLM to work with on your server. Once you connect your AI model to an MCP server, instead of building new backend route for each new feature you want, the AI just connects to the MCP server and it knows what to do through the tools that are available to it. The best way to think about MCP is it's like a universal plug for your AI. So you plug your AI to your MCP server and it has access to new capabilities that can be done on that server. That was a quick tour of our 3 AI concepts. If you really love this video, do want to subscribe and I will see you on the next one. Peace.